Hey there, I'm Lennon Brazil from Evolving Table, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick kitchen tip for cutting whole chicken wings into portions, such as wingettes and drumettes. You can then use these in your favorite baked, fried, or even air-fried wings recipes. So let's first take a look at the structure of a chicken wing. If you stretch it out and look at the whole chicken wing, you'll see that it is made up of 3 sections. The meatier drumette portion, the wingette, sometimes called the flap, and the wing tip, or the flapper. The wingette and drumette portions are generally used for most recipes. The tips have very little to no meat and are either used to make stocks or are discarded. To separate the portions, you'll want to flip the whole chicken wing over so it is skin side down. Use your fingers to locate the first ridge between the drumette portion and the wingette portion. Place a sharp knife just beside this ridge and also parallel to the long axis of the drumette in order to make your first cut. Your knife should slide right through if you're in the correct spot with very little resistance. Now we'll just locate that second ridge between the wingette and the tip. Make a second cut all of the way through to separate the 2 pieces. So now you'll see we've got the drumette, the wingette, and the wing tip. And that's it! Wasn't that super easy? Now that you've got all of your wings cut and portioned, you can use them up in this awesome buffalo chicken wings recipe. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.